Today we're exploring the charming hilltop town of Cortona, Italy. Known for its stunning views, rich history and vibrant culture, Cortona offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Tuscany. Let's take a walk through its ancient streets and discover what makes this town so special. Cortona, a town with roots dating back to the Etruscan civilization, is one of the oldest in Italy. Its history stretches over 3,000 years, with layers of culture and architecture that tell the stories of its past. The town's strategic position on a hilltop provided natural defense, making it a significant settlement throughout history. One of the best places to dive into Cortona's history is the Etruscan Academy Museum, or Museo dell'Accademia Etrusca. Here you can find a remarkable collection of artifacts from the Etruscan, Roman, and Egyptian periods, offering a fascinating insight into ancient civilizations. The heart of Cortona is the Piazza della Repubblica. This bustling square is home to the medieval town hall, Palazzo Comunale, which has been the center of civic life since the 13th century. The square is a perfect spot to soak in the local atmosphere, enjoy a coffee, and watch the world go by. Above the town, you'll find the Basilica of Santa Margherita and the imposing Medici fortress. The basilica, dedicated to the patron saint of Cortona, offers stunning views of the Val di Chiana. The fortress, built by the Medici family in the 16th century, provides a glimpse into the town's strategic military importance. Walking through Cortona's narrow, winding alleyways, you'll encounter a wealth of artisan shops, local eateries, and hidden gems. Each corner of this town has its own story, with beautifully preserved medieval and Renaissance architecture. Cortona gained international fame as the setting for Francis Mays's book, and the subsequent film, Under the Tuscan Sun. Fans of the story often visit the Bramasole Villa, which has become a symbol of the town's enchanting allure. Surrounded by the rolling hills and vineyards of Tuscany, Cortona offers not only historical and cultural riches, but also breathtaking natural beauty. The landscape here is quintessentially Tuscan, with its cypress-lined roads and golden fields. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Cortona. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and follow ConnollyCove for more travel adventures. See you next time.